Hey there, folks. If you're a Citi Strata credit card holder, you're probably always on the lookout for ways to make your life easier, right? Today, I'm diving into a super handy feature, enrolling in Citi Strata autopay. This nifty tool automatically pays your credit card bill each month, helping you avoid late fees and keep your credit score in tip-top shape. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's quicker than you think. First things first, make sure you have your Citi Strata card details handy, along with access to your online banking or the Citi mobile app. To get started, open up your web browser or app and log in to your Citi account. Use your username and password, and if you have two-factor authentication set up, go ahead and verify that too. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Cards section. Look for your Citi Strata card specifically. Next, find the Payment Settings or Autopay option. It's usually under the Bill Payment tab. Click on that, and you'll see an option to enroll in autopay. Here, you'll need to select your payment source, maybe your checking account linked to Citi or another bank. Double-check that the account has enough funds to cover your minimum payment or full balance, depending on what you choose. Now, for the fun part, customize your autopay settings. You can decide whether to pay the minimum due, the full statement balance, or a fixed amount each month. Make sure to review the details carefully to avoid any surprises. Once everything looks good, hit the Enroll or Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Citi shortly after, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, you're all set. Enrolling in Citi Strata autopay takes less than 5 minutes and can save you a ton of stress. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact Citi's customer support. They're usually pretty helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.